Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am here at the beautiful island of Panglao, and I'm currently staying at the Amorita Resort here in Bohol, and I'm currently on vacation. But since I'm on vacation, I always want to squeeze some time to practice, and I want to share with you guys my vacation practice. Anyway, even if you're not on vacation, this is a perfect little practice that you can do. It's very quick and it doesn't need a yoga mat. So I'm going to start in a comfortable seated posture. I usually like to do half lotus with one leg on top, and I'm going to place my hands on my knees, rolling my shoulders back just to open up your chest, and then slowly rolling my shoulders forward. And then I'm going to start by taking 3 deep breaths, breathing in. Exhale out through my mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Allow the sound of the ocean to calm you. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Now slowly I'm going to blink my eyes open. Inhale, reach the arms up. Clasp your hands and flip your palms to face the ceiling or the sky. Take a deep breath in, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Now interlace your hands behind your back, squeeze your shoulder blades to open up your chest, and then we're going to bring our fists over to our left hip. And then as we inhale, we lengthen our spine, and then slowly we're going to allow this left elbow to meet the right, so you're opening the side of your chest. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feel the chest and the arm get a good stretch. Now again, you're going to bring your arms back to center, maybe interlace with the other thumb on top, and then go over to the other side. Same thing, squeeze the elbows together. Deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now side bends, bend over to the right side, and your left arm reaches towards the right. You may want also to switch with the crossing of your legs. Then look up and then draw circles with your hands, opening the fingers very wide. And then squeeze the other direction. It's raining right now, so might as well get the workout done. Now slowly bend to the other side. I actually think beaches are also beautiful, even when it rains. And then other side. Take a deep breath in, reach towards the left, and come back to center. Neck circles, just to stretch out your neck. And other direction. And come back to your neutral spine. Now find your way to your tabletop. If the surface you're standing on or sitting on is quite hard, you may want to get a rolled towel and place that underneath your knees if your knees are extra sensitive. Now spread your fingers wide, coming to your tabletop. I want you to reach your right leg back, really kick back, and flex the right foot. Okay, and make sure that the hip is squared in. Engage your belly and slowly reach the left arm up, holding here. And then you want your heel to be in line with your hip. Squeeze the butt. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bend the right knee and catch a hold of your right foot with your left hand. Kick the right foot so that you get the maximum benefits of the stretch while pushing with the right hand onto the floor. And release. Slowly come over to the other side. Do the same thing. We're just waking up your core, waking up your body. Really feel the length. Your hand reaches forward, your heel reaches back. And your core is engaged to keep you steady. And reach back. Very good. This feels so amazing for the back. And release, quick child's pose. Sometimes child's pose is all that you need for today. But if you want to do more, you can do more. Slowly come back to your tabletop and step the right foot in between your hands. And I want to protect my knee by tucking my back toes. Inhale, keep the arms up. And then reaching back with my left arm, I'm going to reach my right arm also back with some sort of a reverse warrior type in a low lunge. Breathing here for 3, 2, and 1. Cartwheel the hands, left hand down, right hand up. You can stay here, or if your strength allows it, you can come to your easy twist looking up towards the ceiling or the sky. Sink the hips below as you reach the left heel back. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, right hand down, left knee down, tabletop. Now let's do the other side. Left foot steps in between your hands and slowly reach up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, right hand reaches over to your right heel. Left hand reaches back. Breathing here for 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, cartwheel the hands forward. Easy twist on the other side. Right knee may or may not touch the ground. Deep breath in. Exhale out. And down. Knees down. Then quick child's pose. Take a breather. And come back. And then we're going to go over to our lizard pose. So right foot steps outside your right hand. Maybe slide the left leg back. You can stay here. Or if you want an added stretch, walk the hands over to the left. So this is sort of like a lizard. Okay, my mic fell. Doesn't matter. This is like a lizard with a side bend. So from here, you're going to come down to your forearms if you want to, or you can stay upright. It doesn't matter. Sinking the hips low. Breathing for 3. Now crawl back to center. Come back to your hands. Shift your hips back. This time flex the back foot. And then reach the right arm up. Sort of another twist, half split variation. Now from here, crawl your hands over to the left. Your left foot comes aligned with your left knee. Right foot turns in. Take a deep breath in, slowly come up. And then transition to your gate pose, bending over to the right side. Now from here, hands come down, sinking your hips low, stretching that hip out. Now slowly Crawl yourself back. Left foot comes back in line with your left knee, facing the short edge of the mat if you have a mat. And then from here, lift, low lunge, and then come back to your tabletop. So I'm just going to turn to the other side. Since we're going to do the other side, left foot steps outside your left hand, crawl the right knee back, and then come to your side bend lizard. I usually stay here for 5 breaths. Crawl back to center. Begin to shift your hips back. And then come to your, okay, so this one fell. Nothing's happened. And then come to your half split. Lift the left hand up. Breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now from here, begin to transition to your gate pose. Take a deep breath and reach up. Exhale, bend over to your straight leg. Now, coming to this child's pose, half frog variation. You can also tent your hands up. This is an added stretch for your shoulders and your back. Slowly, from here, come to your runner's lunge on the other side. And from here, turn to face the longer side while I'm facing the camera. And I transition to my deep squat, Malasana. Really using my elbows to push my knees out, keeping my spine tall. Opening the hips. Now slowly come to take a seat. We're just gonna do some twists, just to reset our spine. And now we come back to center. Take a seat. Hands can be in your Anjali Mudra. Or whatever you feel right now, just close your eyes. Spend a few more moments in silence. I hope you guys enjoyed this class. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to sharing with you my practice aside from my travels. Thank you everyone. Loka Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti. Namaste.